I'm Irene Ortega, and the first source was A Vision of Students Today. The video is based off of a survey conducted at Kansas University. The video explains how the typical college student has a class size of 115. Of those 115 students, only 18% are lucky enough to be known by name. Later, the source goes on to show that there are hundreds of dollars being spent in textbooks. However, only half of those textbooks are actually being read. The issue of multitasking comes into play now that students are fitting in 26.5 hours worth of tasks into the typical 24-hour period. This now includes combining study time, TV, and eating, as well as turning school and work into personal email time.
My name is Adam McCabbage, and the next article was entitled Changing Classroom Practice to Include the Project Approach. This article discusses how the teacher must mentor the students and help them throughout the project. Also, projects should focus on the content, the product, and the process in which the students take. This new approach of teaching helps students grasp material easier and rewards them by retaining more information than a typical lecture. Benefits for using projects include having the students actively participate, fixing problems they encounter along the way, and help reinforce what they have learned throughout the project.
The third and final article was Connecting the Digital Dots, Literacy of the 21st Century. In this article, 3 important definitions are given: digital literacy, visual literacy, and e-generation. Digital literacy refers to the person's ability to perform tasks effectively in a digital environment. Digital means information represented in numeric form and primarily for use by a computer. The second definition, visual literacy, emerges from seeing and integrating sensory experiences. This focuses on sorting and interpreting visible actions and symbols. A person with this literacy can communicate in a variety of forms. E-generation refers to teenagers who have a combination of these two literacies.
With the immersion of the e-generation, schools are having a hard time accommodating these students, causing a great divide. Students are now having to switch from their tech-savvy language, which the article considers their native language, to a more traditional English while they are inside the classroom. For more information, please visit the links provided.